click on the image. At the top, go to Edit. In Magic Studio, scroll to the right until you see Magic Grab. Now, this feature is for Pro users only, so if you're on the free plan, you would need to upgrade to the Pro plan to be able to use this feature. So in Magic Grab, I can grab objects in the image and I can place them in a different location. So for example, if I choose the brush option, I can brush the object that I want to move to a different location. So in this case, I'm going to brush over this airplane. And then once I've brushed over the airplane, I can grab it. And now this airplane is able to change locations based on where I want it to be. So I can enlarge it, I can shrink it, I can move it to the top left corner, top right corner. So this really depends on what you want to do with it. If I come back over here to Magic Grab, I can also click. And so this will identify major objects in the image, and Canva will do its best to try to identify which object that you want to move. So say, for example, let's say I want to move this control tower. So this part, Canva only lets me move this. So I would need to brush over the control tower to be able to move it to a different spot. So I can move the control tower here instead. You can also select the foreground option. So Canva is going to detect what's the major object in the foreground. In this case, it's the airplane. So I can grab it, and like with the brush option, I can move it around, I can enlarge it. Perhaps I can even change the colors of the airplane to whatever I want. So you can edit this to your own liking. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.